Find or read reviews that people are talking about Rdangaez car jump starter, 2500 amp jump starter battery pack. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Start all 12 volts vehicles. The G32PL car jumper battery pack can easily jumpstart all 12-volt common vehicles with up to 10.0-liter gas and 8.0 liters diesel engines in seconds with its peak current reaching 2500 amps. And this battery jumper starter supports 60 jump starts at most on a single charge and suitable for lawn mowers, motorcycles, passenger cars, trucks, and even boats and more. Comprehensive Safet, Rdangaez G32PL jumper cables kit for car have 10 safety protections, namely high temperature, reverse connection, low temperature, overload, low voltage, overcharge, over discharge, short circuit, and more. Also, the jump starter, jumper cables, gets fully charged in about 3 to 4 hours. When not in use, the device can hold the charge 24 months long standby time. A wide working temperature from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. 59.2 watt-hour backup car battery pack. The G32PL jump starter can also be used as a backup power bank with 2 USB output ports, QC 3.0, 5V/2.1 amp, 1 DC output, 12 to about 16.8 V/10 amp, and 1 Type-C input port, 12 V/1.5 amp. You can use it to charge USB appliances, such as smartphones, tablets, cameras, lights, and more, which is perfect for camping, outdoors, indoors, emergencies, and travel. Please note that the charger is not included and you can use your own charger to recharge this jump starter. 3 LED modes, not just a car battery jump starter. Rdangaez G32PL battery pack comes equipped with a very bright LED functioning as an emergency flashlight. 3 modes, Spotlight/Strobe/SOS. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.